Hi friends, welcome to my channel. My name's Joanne and this is To Crochet Curious. Where have I been? Well, as I announced in my last video, we've had some renovations done to our home, and so we had to vacate. And the Airbnb specifically said that I couldn't do videography there. They just don't want, I'm sure I wouldn't be doing things that they wouldn't want to have done, but it specifically said in the contract that you can't do videography there, so I just didn't. And it was a really nice place, though, and it was on the river, the Puyallup River. Very beautiful. However, it rained a lot while we were there, and we just watched the river rise and rise and kept thinking, we're going to get out of here before that tops the bank. But no problem, we did. We ended up having to stay almost a full extra week, which was disheartening. Things just got slowed down here by things not being available or the wrong thing being shipped and whatever. All that stuff that happens in construction. And so we are still waiting. They're going to come back today to try to do some final touches. We have to get everything settled on, they had to return some things they haven't returned yet and so forth. So we're redoing the bathroom, and we did the floors in the dining and living room and hallway. And the bathroom, it's a pretty compact bathroom. We live in a manufactured home, so, there's not an extra square footage, really. And so we decided to put a pocket door in so that you wouldn't have to have the door encroaching on the bathroom when it was open. And I was really excited about that. It was expensive, but to me, it was totally worth it. And they shipped it. It arrived. And they didn't send anything but the door, all the everything, the framing that goes in the wall and all that. They didn't send any of it. So we, for that price, I think we want the whole thing, not just the door. So that's going back, and we had to put a regular door in, but yeah, it's pretty cool. It's hard getting used to not having rugs in the main part of the house because it's noisier. There's an echo, but I think once I get, the rug came today for the dining area under the table, and then once I get a rug ordered for the living room, for the high traffic area of the living room, I think we'll be okay. We'll see. If not, I'll have to figure out ways to dampen that sound a little bit because it's echoey. But overall, I really like it. Of course, it just points out the fact that we need to do some painting and other things, but day at a time. I'm not going to do anything for a while because chaos. I'm done, man. I don't need any more chaos, please. And I'll be really happy when they get all this stuff out of here and my porch is cleared again and all that stuff. So, shame on me. I'm just getting I got Sherry's package ready to go for her win before I left the house, and I hadn't shipped it, and it just got crazy. My husband's a bit OCD, and when we are preparing to do something as major as this, he really gets wound up about stuff, and it's just easier just to try to manage that than try and do my own thing. So I'm happy to be back, and things will calm down, and I can do some more of my own thing. I've been really wanting to come back and start watercoloring, and I had really, I hope, a pretty good idea for um, a f- it's the 250th anniversary of the U.S. this year. And even though things are a bit crazy on the political scene, we have made it 250 years, and um, most of that time, there's some times in there, but most of that time, we've lived pretty well. So there's something to celebrate there, even if you're not celebrating everything that's happening right now. So I'm going to start some pieces of my plan. It's like a, I don't know, a wall hanging or a flag, or it's something like that for the porch, for the, what do you call a 250-year anniversary? I'll have to look that up. And I have some red, white, and blue yarn, t-shirt yarn. So that's what I'm going to be doing it with. But the technique that I'm going to show you is pretty cool. And I think that you can adapt it to whatever you want to do, if that's how you want to roll with it. But I'll show you how to do the stitch and how it goes together. So I'm excited to try that out and kind of get a sense of it myself. I haven't done it yet myself, so I'm going to start some practice runs, and I'll try to film them on my desk so that I can, if it's good to share, I can show it to you and talk about what it is. So, cryptic enough for you? You're welcome. Anyway, what else? So I got bored while I was there and just stopped crocheting because it was so, I don't know, just being out of my element was weird. But, I did a little crocheting and was working on the baby blanket. And this is what I have on the baby blanket at this point. And it's a girl. Baby was born last week on Pi Day. So what's that? 3/21. Her name is Macy. And I've got more pieces to put on this. It's good they don't have to wait for me to have the baby. They've had the baby. So I know I have blue, what is that stuff called? It's like teddy, it's that small chenille, teddy yarn. And I have some blue squares. I'm also going to put some pink squares on it. And I have purple I'm adding to it. So it's just multicolored is all it's going to be. So that's what's happening. I'm going to make it somewhat bigger, and then we're going to say, all done. I do have one challenge here. One of these squares is longer than all the others. I don't know what I'm going to do about that. I'll figure it out. Let's see. What else? My husband had some tests done on his heart, and I think I know they're evaluating him to see if he needs a valve replacement or not. So we will be waiting to hear about that. So once again, have not made our plans to go to Portugal, although my father-in-law was doing poorly for quite a while there, like over a week. It was looking kind of bad, but I think he's going into physical therapy, try and regain some of his stamina. He had a fall, and it was pretty destructive. And it happened the same time as they had all those tropical storms, and the power went out, and the doctors weren't available, and all this stuff all happened at one time, and then he kind of just stopped moving around, and for a while there was in a wheelchair, and he wouldn't do anything else, and he was just yelling at everybody to go away and stuff. So really hope I know he's feeling better, but I hope he takes advantage of the physical therapy and get some of his oomph back, because he's been doing so well up until then. So, but we were like, are we gonna have to fly like now? And it was just one more thing added on top of everything else. So we didn't fly. I haven't made any plans, even though we were supposed to go in June. With my husband possibly needing surgery, I can't schedule it. So, I can't schedule the trip until we know what's going on. And then there's everything that's going on in the world and how much it costs to fly and. So, here we are. Enough about me. How are you? And I hope you're well. I would like to do a live. I will schedule the live. Let's see. I'm going to wait to schedule it till I get a rug in the living room, because I'll do it from the living room. And then I can show you guys the new furniture and the floor. And yeah, it's pretty cool. Yeah, thanks to my mom, she left us some money, and it's not, it's not tons of money, but it's money to take care of things that we really needed to take care of. So I really appreciate that. She was, she grew up pretty poor, and the early years with my dad, they were pretty poor. And after she got divorced, there she was again, poor, but she took the bull by the horns, and she made a life for herself, and she did good, So anyway, I miss her all the time, and I've been talking to my sister about meeting up somewhere for a couple of days of vacation together or something. I miss her. I've spent more time with her in the last 4 years last 5 years than I have in a long time, and I really miss her now. So, she and I bring sanity to each other's lives. So I think I would like to hear what you're working on and all that kind of stuff, but maybe we could do it on the live. That would be cool. So maybe midweek next week or something, I'll get something scheduled, and hopefully you will see it. I'll try to remember to post it on the community tab and wherever. And we'll just talk and see where everything's at. I will hopefully have a little bit of practice under my belt to be able to show off what I'm thinking of for the cow. Yeah. All right, you guys. Have a beautiful day and take care of yourselves. I am doing the same. I am trying very hard to balance out both what needs to be done with what I have the energy to do, and still taking care of myself. So, see you later.